Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through an honest review of the Capital One shopping app and everything you need to know before using it. First, let's understand what this app actually does. Capital One Shopping is a browser extension and mobile app designed to help users save money while shopping online. It automatically searches for coupon codes, compares prices across different stores, and suggests better deals when you're about to buy something. Now, in terms of setup, it is very easy. You simply install it on your browser or download the app, create a free account, and it starts working in the background. You don't need to manually activate it every time, which makes it convenient for regular online shoppers. One of the biggest features is automatic coupon testing. When you check out on supported websites, it tries different promo codes to find the one that gives you the highest discount. Sometimes it saves a few dollars, and sometimes it can save a significant amount, depending on the store. Another feature is price comparison. If you are viewing a product on one website, Capital One Shopping may show you if the same product is available cheaper elsewhere. This helps users avoid overpaying without spending extra time searching manually. Now let's talk about rewards. The app also offers credits for shopping at certain stores. These credits can later be redeemed for gift cards. However, the earning rate is usually small, so it should be seen as a bonus rather than a primary income source. In terms of performance, it works best on popular online retailers. On smaller or less supported websites, coupon detection may be limited. Also, sometimes not all promo codes work, but it still saves time by testing them automatically. Privacy is another important point. Since it is a shopping assistant, it does track your browsing activity to provide deals and suggestions. For most users, this is normal for coupon extensions, but it is still something to be aware of. Now the pros. It is free, easy to use, saves time, and can help you save money without effort. The interface is simple and beginner-friendly, so anyone can use it without technical knowledge. On the downside, savings are not guaranteed every time, and the reward system is not very high earning. It is mainly useful for occasional discounts rather than consistent income. So, Capital One Shopping is a helpful tool for online shoppers who want automatic coupons and price comparisons. It is not a magic money saver, but it can definitely reduce your spending over time if you shop online regularly. Subscribe the channel for more videos.